This is the second part of the video, and it's all about how to play the game. I hope your dice is ready now. Now let's come to the rules. The rules are simple. Roll your dice and say the name of each picture every time it comes up. If the student says correctly, cross the box next to the picture. If they couldn't say, tell them what that picture is and don't cross the box. Roll the dice until you have crossed each box next to the pictures. For those who want to use this game for their students, you can find the resource link in the description below. Enjoy the game!